Qualities of people with Capricorn Moon Sign. Individuals with a Capricorn Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the practical and responsible nature of Capricorn. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Capricorn Moon Sign. Ambitious and goal-oriented. Capricorn Moon individuals are driven by a strong sense of ambition and a desire to achieve their goals. They are hardworking, focused, and persistent in their pursuit of success. Disciplined and responsible. They have a strong sense of discipline and responsibility. Capricorn Moon people are reliable and take their commitments seriously. They have a structured approach to life and are diligent in their work. Emotional stability. They possess emotional stability and resilience. Capricorn Moon individuals have the ability to remain composed and practical even in challenging situations. They can be a source of stability and support for others. Practical and grounded. They have a practical and grounded approach to life. Capricorn Moon people tend to be realistic and focused on practical matters. They prefer to take a logical and rational approach to decision-making. Self-control and emotional restraint. They have a natural tendency to exercise self-control and emotional restraint. Capricorn Moon individuals may be cautious about expressing their emotions and prefer to keep their feelings private. Determination and perseverance. They possess a strong sense of determination and perseverance. Capricorn Moon people are willing to work hard and endure challenges to achieve their long-term goals. They have a patient and resilient nature. Organized and efficient. They have a knack for organization and efficiency. Capricorn Moon individuals excel at managing their time, resources, and responsibilities. They value structure and order in their lives. Reserved and reserved demeanor. They may have a reserved and somewhat serious demeanor. Capricorn Moon people are not prone to displaying their emotions openly and may come across as more reserved or serious to others. Practical problem solvers. They have a practical approach to problem solving. Capricorn Moon individuals can analyze situations objectively and find practical solutions. They are skilled at assessing risks and making informed decisions. Long-term planning and financial security. They have a natural inclination towards long-term planning and financial security. Capricorn Moon individuals are often conscious of building a solid foundation for the future and may prioritize financial stability. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.